Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be reviewing the CMYK twin markers from the works. Let me just say they already get a point to the name because it reminds me of a song that I like. It retails for £15 for 24 markers, but if you have your student card, you can get 10% discount and they will even be more affordable. I feel like that is a great price since the markers are alcohol based and double-sided, and they also come in a nice case with a handle that you can carry. There's also other sets for only £10 and I'll have all of these products listed down below so you can easily shop them if you would like. You can tell that these are very popular because it's sold out on Amazon and the works when I bought them, so make sure to get them before it's gone. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Like I said, it comes with a sturdy case that I like. The only drawback is the markers are a little annoying to put back inside when the case is on its side. The set comes with 5 shades of blue markers, 6 shades of pink, 7 shades of cream, 2 greens, 3 grays, and a colorless blender. The barrel is black, easy to hold in my opinion, and isn't cheap looking at all. It has 2 tips, a broad tip and a fine tip. You can get a variety of strokes using these markers and they also dry very quick. And I haven't noticed any feathering or bleeding. Blending them is also very nice and easy using the blender or layering the colors. The color vibrancy is also nice and you have a variety of lighter colors and a more punchy, vibrant colors. I do think that some colors are a bit similar though, like 12 and 17. So here's the bottom line. These are excellent markers for the price, and I bet you couldn't even tell the difference between COPIC markers and these if I just showed you my coloring samples. What an amazing set for the money. I was a bit hesitant to buy them at first, I'm not gonna lie, because well, I like to save my money, but I'm really glad that I got them in the end. And I know a lot of people that are scared to practice in Copics or any of the other expensive markers, so these are a very good practice set for the money. That is all for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other product suggestions you would like me to review next. Thank you so much for watching guys and have a lovely weekend. I'm Rasha Sharuru and I'll see you next time.